Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn what is a string and which type of operation we can perform on the string. So first, a string is a collection of characters that includes in the single quote or a double quote that maybe include a character or a letter or number or special characters. We can take the example here and the code I am writing hello. Then this is the string that comes in the quotes. You can store the string value in the variable also with the help of equal symbol. A is equal to hello and press enter. Now if you want to print the value of A, then you can use print A, then it will print the value of A, that's the hello. Python does not support a character type. These are treated as a string of length 1. If there is no character inside the string or a single quote, that is called an empty string. For example, B is equal to here, I am giving the inverted quote, simply blank inverted quote. Now print B, then no output will come. Why? Because that B is an empty string, and when you will take the length of B, then it will display 0 value. Okay, because there is no character in the B. Okay, take another example. Suppose I am writing here A is equal to good and press the enter, then it shows the error message here. And on the place of this, if I am writing here good and just simply your slash symbol and press enter, then it will continue to take the value, and here I am typing day and close this code. Okay, so this value is stored in the variable A. Now after that I am here writing print A, use the print statement. Now it's print good day without any space, without the next line. But if you want to display this day on the next line, then here you can use slash n symbol. I'm writing here good slash n, then day. Press enter. Use print statement, print a. Okay, now my day comes on the next line. So here we use slash n for the next line or new line. Okay, now the next example, I'm writing here B is equal to, in the single quote, good, now backslash t, now day. Now use the print statement and see what the result will display. Good day. Now here you can check there is the one tab space. Okay, slash t, that is used for one tab space in the string. Here remember one thing, strings are immutable, means that the content of the string cannot be changed after it has been created. We can take the example here. Suppose I am using print A. Okay, now that's the value. Here I am writing again one statement, print A3. Okay, now it display the value A3, that's the D. Okay, this 3 is the index of this string. On the third place, that index always start from the 0 and 1, 2 and 3. Now the 3 is D. Okay, on the place of this D, I want to change any new character like Y. Then I am writing here A3 is equal to Y and press enter. Now see, that shows the error. Why? Because this operation does not support in the string. You can't change the individual character in the string. Okay, if you want to change it, then you have to replace your whole string. It is immutable. You can access index value either from left or from right. Just look this picture. Here my string is a Python, and every single character have their own index value. From left index that always start from the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and your right index start from the right side, from the -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so either you may access the individual character from left side or from right side. Take example, a is equal to hello, and I'm using print a2. Okay, now that's value is L. Now print a minus 3. I'm using -3. Now that value is again L. Okay, why? Because here my on the second index in the my string is hello, and H on the 0, E on the 1, and L on the 2. And when you will go from in the reverse order, then start from the -1, -1, -2, and -3. -3 again the same value L. On the place of this, if I am writing here print a -4. Now see, my result is E. Okay, we can concatenate two strings with the help of plus symbol, like here good plus day. Okay, and press enter, then it generates your good day. If you are simply write good space, then again you are using day, then it generates your good day. Okay, if you want to store the value in the variable, then you can use here good plus day, then it is stored in the a. Use print statement, print a, then it's display good day. Now the next operation is replicating a string. Suppose here I am typing 2 star a, then it display my output good day, then again good day, means 2 times repeat my operation. It's repeat 2 times good day, good day. Always remember one point, when you are using the plus operator, then it's required the both operand on the same type. Either it may be the integers or numbers or a string. Like here, if suppose I am writing 2 plus 5 and press enter, then it gives the 7. Or I am writing good plus d, then it display good day. But if here I will write 2 plus good, okay, and press enter, then it shows the error message. Okay, why? Because one is integer and second one is a string. So plus always require the same data type on the both sides. In the same manner, your asterisk symbol, this operator require either have both operands of the number type, or one is a number type and another is a string type. Like here, if I am writing 2 into 8, then it display this 16, and here I am writing 2 into good, then it display good and good 2 times. But if here I will write in this code 2, then star and good, okay, then it shows the error message. Why? Because it's require at least one integer. Now the next is membership operators. In the Python, there are two membership operators. One is in and second one is not in. Here I am taking one example. Select a is equal to text handling. Okay, this is my variable, that's the value. Now if I am writing here ing n a, then it's written true. Why? Because this ing exists in my this variable, that handling. Okay, ing. On the place of this, if I am writing Raj and A, then it is written the false, because this Raj is not exist in this text string. Okay, here suppose I am writing Raj not in A, then it's written true. Why? Because this Raj is not exist in the A. Okay, and if I am writing here text not in A, then it's written again true. Why? Because my T is capital here. Now the next statement I am writing here text not in A, then it's written false. Why? Because this text is exist in my A variable. Okay, in the previous statement the T was small, so it's written true.